Installing a new door in your home is a great way to improve security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you are upgrading an existing door or adding a brand new one, you may wonder, should you install the door yourself or hire a professional in Bel Air? Each option has its own benefits and drawbacks. In this guide, we will explore the pros and cons of DIY door installation versus hiring a professional, helping you make the best decision for your home. DIY door installation. Pros and cons. Many homeowners are drawn to the idea of installing a door themselves, especially if they enjoy home improvement projects. While this approach can be rewarding, it also comes with certain risks and challenges. Pros of DIY door installation. Cost savings. The most significant advantage of DIY door installation is saving money on labor costs. Professional installation can range from $150 to $500, depending on the door type and complexity of the project. Flexibility and convenience. When you handle the installation yourself, you can work at your own pace and schedule the project when it's most convenient. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a home improvement project on your own can be highly rewarding, giving you a sense of pride and ownership in your home. Custom adjustments. If you enjoy working with tools, DIY installation allows you to make minor custom adjustments based on your preferences. Cons of DIY door installation. Lack of expertise. Without proper knowledge and experience, you may struggle with alignment issues, gaps, or improper sealing, which can lead to drafts and security vulnerabilities. Time-consuming. What might take a professional a couple of hours could take a DIYer an entire weekend or longer, especially if unexpected challenges arise. Specialized tools required. Door installation may require specific tools, such as a power drill, shims, level, and chisels, which can add to the overall cost if you don't already own them. Risk of errors. An improperly installed door can result in energy inefficiency, security risks, or even damage to your home's structure, leading to additional repair costs down the road. Professional door installation. Pros and cons. Hiring a professional door installer in Bel Air ensures that your door is properly fitted and functions as intended. However, this option comes with its own set of advantages and potential drawbacks. Pros of professional door installation. Expertise and experience. Professional installers have the skills, knowledge, and tools to handle the job efficiently and correctly the first time. Time efficient. A professional can install most doors within a few hours, saving you the hassle and frustration of a lengthy DIY project. Quality assurance. Many professional services offer warranties or guarantees, ensuring that your door is installed properly and will perform well over time. Proper fit and security. Professionals ensure that your door is aligned correctly, sealed against drafts, and secured for maximum safety. No need for special tools. Since installers bring their own tools and equipment, you won't have to invest in additional supplies. Cons of professional door installation. And higher cost. Labor costs can be significant, especially for complex installations or high-end doors. Scheduling dependence. You'll need to coordinate with the installer's availability, which may require waiting longer than expected. Less personal involvement. If you enjoy DIY projects and home improvements, hiring a professional takes away the hands-on experience. Which option is best for you? Deciding between DIY and professional door installation in Bel Air depends on your budget, skills, and the complexity of the job. If you have prior experience with carpentry and home improvement, and you're confident in your ability to measure and align the door correctly, a DIY approach may save you money. However, if precision, security, and efficiency are top priorities, hiring a professional is often the better choice. For homeowners in Bel Air who want peace of mind, professional installation is worth the investment. An improperly installed door can lead to costly repairs or even pose security risks. By hiring an experienced contractor, you can ensure that your new door enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your confidence, skill level, and budget. Whether you choose to install the door yourself or hire a professional, making the right choice will help you enjoy a secure, efficient, and beautiful entryway for years to come.